Alright YouTube, so Toby's Mowers back at you with another video. In this video what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be just talking about these updates that I have going for this racing mower, and the video where I actually update everything, make everything look really good on this thing, and paint it and everything else will probably be out within a month. So let's get right into it. YouTube, so first things first on this thing is I have had it up to 75 mile an hour with a super smaller sprocket on that rear end. I had to gear it back up because 75 is just way too fast on this thing. Get it back up, now it only goes about 50 miles per hour, but this thing works really well. It's a 250cc dirt bike engine, bought it from AliExpress. I mean, it seems to run just fine right now. But had a few issues with that starter, teeth shredded out, so I just have a kick started for it now. But updates for this thing is that I do not really like this new hood look. I mean, I liked it for a little bit, but I'd still rather use a hood like that, which I like that hood style much better. So this hood, what I'm going to try to do is fit her on here. And it just barely fits on there, but that's how I want to do it. Just like that. And then obviously cut out slots for the wheels, and then take off that old hood, cut out those mounts on the front, and somehow mount this one up to it. But that's what I want to do for that one. And then for the rear fenders over here, since there's so many holes, I cut the fender to raise up the fender, when what I'm really going to just do is just remove all these fenders, remove everything on this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use these nice fenders over here. No holes in it except where the holes are supposed to be, and I'm gonna cover up that side hole. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try to raise up those fenders so that way. And I'm probably going to just also cut out the sides on these things from like here on. That's probably what I'm going to do for this thing, cut out sides, but I don't like these fenders right now, but everything, that's what I'm going to be doing for this. So axle's good. One of these pill blocks cracked, so axle's actually not good. Do need to get a pill block for that. Fuel pump went out, but I think when I'm raising up these fenders, I'm going to take that gas tank off, weld it on here, and just make it a little higher. That way it can actually be gravity fed. And since I took the carburetor off this thing, ended up putting it on my dirt bike, got my dirt bike running. I finally just got a new carburetor in the mail, just a PZ30, and fits right on there. So I just need to hook that up, and it'll be running again shortly. So that's pretty much it for this thing. Steering's good. I just need to tighten it up a little more. Clutch has been wonderful, and I want to remake that exhaust system to go out the back and just quiet it, because it is a little loud and I don't want to bother the neighbors with it. But I mean, I have 80 acres around me, so it's not like anyone's really going to care. But dang, I don't know why why the video's so glitchy, but yeah, that's these updates on this thing. So hope you guys enjoy it, and hopefully you guys will be tuned, like, and subscribe to watch a new video on the actual updates on this thing within a month. So thank you guys for watching. I'll let you guys know when I have all these parts for the update video on this thing. And I got a new chain tensioner to somehow tension that chain a little better. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Really helps support this channel. And if you want to see more, also subscribe, and you'll stay tuned. And if you want to see more, check out my channel and some playlists. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Can't wait to see you guys watching another one of my videos. Peace out.